What's up, everybody? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne. I'm here with yet another unboxing. This shipped from Lexington, Kentucky, all the way to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. As always, thanks so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other ones. If you want to help support my channel, cash at me at London Hawthorne. Another thing you can do is go to ripapparel.com or onceuponatea.net. Find your shirts of choice. Save about $3 off every single shirt. Use my username, London Hawthorne. Right here, we got some flamingo and cactus pillowcases for my aunt. This is what she wanted. So she loves cactuses and she loves flamingos. Let's see what this is. So we got a... Oh, okay. So this is flamingos and cactuses. Come on, that's beautiful, right? And then... Almost done, almost done. Comes in this little bag. Got a flamingo cactus medley right here. So it's pretty cool if you like that kind of stuff, I guess. Yeah, cool artistry, I guess. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share. Check out some of my other many unboxings. Thanks so much for watching. I wish you the best. Have a great day.